Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. One of our favorite pundits wey they call Rio Ferdinand don't come outside the talk say the only reason where Arsenal will take enter top 4 now if they make sure say Aubameyang hits top form. If this guy enter top form the boss net, there is no way where Arsenal no go fit enter that top 4. Say wetin all the midfielders, all those kind of Odegaard, Smith-Rowe, Saka dem, all their duty now say make una try una best to give this guy the ball, the throwing pass, confirm pass, defense splitting passes. When this guy go collect, say even the boss net, say see Arsenal entering top, say forget about the way people they laugh Arsenal, they talk about Arsenal in a bad way. Say him personally wants to make Arsenal flourish, they want to make them shine. Forget say the rivalry between Man U and Arsenal, we don't play for Man U before, but for him, they want to make them still shine, make them come to glory days. David Hiller will be former Arsenal player. Don't come outside the talk. Say this wheelchair now where they come Arsenal country with Arsenal. Say nobody say he won't come Arsenal come play. Or say maybe Arsenal will come register him. They'll come they play and he get. Say maybe any match you play they go pay you that kind of package. Say no. Say this guy now only training in the country no, because no say Arsenal get world class training facilities and you want to train with the senior men because now Como 9 they train before and let's say for them a shit packer for Italy now. So if they train with Arsenal, he will get match fitness and before you know one club will come for and say okay I come to sign it. But the NRC 29 years old now, still they fresh now. Clubs will still sign now. So now what they stop with that. So if they think say maybe Arsenal will sign this guy on the player, no reason go that side at all. Gabriel Agbolanho will be one of our top pundits. Don't come outside the talk say as Arsenal don't sign Aaron Ramsdale for £30 million, then must they start him. He must be Arsenal number. You can't sign a keeper of £30 million. I call the keeper of Benjamin. Who they do like that? Say it don't make sense. The reason we make them sign him, I mean can lead the line. And as Leno do well, Leno don't get choice. Leno go do for Benjamin. Anytime when you see game time, he go play. But he go like make Arsenal use this young goalkeeper because the guy did very good and he get very good reflex. Repalo don't come outside the talk say he hope say Arsenal go play Partey when they go play against Burnley because Partey na person will be say if you start this guy go really prove you say you buy him and he go they play well for you very well. Say like just the injury where you do this guy that made the guy never really hold that starting position. They play week in week out you get. But for Atletico Madrid doing play, the guy play almost all the matches of the season. You don't go understand what's on the sub because for Premier League they very aggressive. So if they keep Partey fit, I mean play against that match because we play that match, it would make sense because this Burnley now team maybe say for the last 3 times so we don't go there we they lose. You know say that tough more. We never go there more go collect results. So this time and that is why I don't talk and since the beginning of this show say this Burnley now people will say go use test our new buys, go use test our players. So those kind of me as to them, Ben White them. We go use and test the players, Ramsdale them. Now we go know how good we are because we don't go for that place. Take the last 3 times, no collect results. You get he had. Why he had? Now because of their physicality. They use their physicality, they bully us. But now what we say we don't get some kind of strong people for the middle of our park and for our CB. So we know say it no go easy for them to bully. Who you want bully now? Gabriel Magalhaes won't bully. I mean Tomiyasu you won't bully. I mean Ben White you won't bully. Who you want bully? So now we don't get some kind of strong men who go stand for us. Well, that weekend now we'll see as it's up. Kevin Campbell said don't come outside to join people with the praise Tomiyasu. This Tomiyasu matter, you know go end. So Babaka the talk said the guy, for in opinion, the guy had a very nice game. And what you can shock and be say, this guy just traveled from Bologna come Arsenal. He don't even train 2 days, and just 1.5 day training. Now he train, they come throw him inside, and the guy come play like person who don't train with the team for a very long time. Say the guy contest for header and they win all the whole header. The guy almost say really bad the way the guy they play. And what you make I like I'm saying nobody will bully the guy aerially. Like say when they use crossing, they bully him, you know possible in tall, in strong, in go not that come out. And they still get pace despite in height. And if they wipe shots, they play with both feet, they play left, they play almost say the guy in a powerful machine. And if they happy say Arsenal already sign the guy. They say when we first sign him, people they doubt say whether the guy good. Some don't say, okay, we don't go buy Jet Li, we don't go buy Bruce Lee, brother. You know, people they make fun of the guy. But now the guy they prove us wrong. Say, I'm here to stay. A good pass all the shit back I wanna get. All those Cedric Suarez, Callum Chambers them. So I hope say that in with instrument and Niles now go hold that right back position. Say, okay, if I dey injured or maybe I dey sick or something they do me, Niles go enter that kind of level. On my marital spiritual, they call Gianluca Di Marzio. Don't come outside, they talk, say, Antonio Conte no go come Arsenal. Say, no see Conte coming to Arsenal. Say, if Conte won't even come England, say, go to look for team will get winning mentality. Team will go feel win sharp. People like maybe Manchester United, like there in mind go feel there because I seen the scam Arsenal. Arsenal no be like people will get winning projects. You get, be like so they prepare for the future. But he go like to come any club will go feel win now. He's a winner, so he like to win. Unless if he come, maybe they'll get money, may bust everywhere. But say make him come, when they do promising. Okay, we have players of 20-something years. Say we are looking at maybe the next 3-4 years they'll come and be ruling. He no get our patience. They want us they come now. On my way to go feel win now. Baba, you go give me money, make I buy players. Now the kind of mentality we get. And this guy Luca now a confidant of Antonio Conte. So we never know whether he speak for Conte. I be whether he talk in your own opinion. Well, as time goes on, nobody don't sack anybody who go to the fine coach. Now, so don't really ready now. We'll tell them, I believe say Conte go come with the promise and say, okay, Baba, we'll give you money. Anybody you want buy, you get. Don't get Arteta £250 million. We never know whether Arteta will last all through the season. But if he no last, I know say any coach will won't come, say, we won't collect your own money, buy your own player. I think we'll say, no baby, bring these guys. You get, so I will need my own money to buy. Well, but they watch us everything they do. Granny Xhaka don't come back for training. I still don't join Arsenal boys for London Colney. You know, say he get red card and a 3-match ban. So the last match of the red card now go be AFC Wimbledon. So after that one, the red card don't finish. So he go be eligible to play against Tottenham Hotspur. Well, never know whether they go throw him inside that match. I mean, they go still put up with Benjamin because I go prefer to use the combination of Partey and Lokonga if two of them they fit. Yes, I just believe in two of them because that Lokonga made them know they look and say them buy him as understudy for Xhaka and Partey. The guy don't prove say he no be understudy. The guy don't prove say he deserve number one. He get to play for that midfield first slot. But the way the guy they play, the guy good. No wonder he be captain of Anderlecht before we go buy him. The guy good die. On my marital spiritual, they call Christian Fall. Don't come outside the talk say Arteta promise Leno say he go play Leno. So as Leno dey say make Leno no worry. Say just give Leno 2-game break. Now 2 games he won't just play Ramsdale. So Ramsdale go play against Burnley. Say Leno go still come back. Say make Leno no fear nothing they suck. But other one na story, Jare, story for the gods. Play against Burnley, we can't get better results and improve say he deserves that number one. Why not? Why not play him? Because all the indication proves say Arsenal won't sell Leno. So if you have the intention of selling him at the end of the summer, why not keep him in the Benjamin? Make they play Ramsdale, make Ramsdale they enjoy his state. And that's why everybody wants it. We need to keep away the very agile, keep away the command in defense, keep away command authority. No need the dummy who will just they collect. If they won't score you, at least don't make it that easy. Don't be play small ball. Ball is supposed to catch. When my grandma waiting for village said go even catch them. We just leave the ball go enter. And say we could leave and there. I'm not they tell me that kind of stuff. On my marital spiritual they call Daily Mirror. Don't come outside the talk. Say for the training we Arsenal do yesterday. Say Ben Leno appear frustrated. Say the guy not really enjoy the training. He no dey himself. Ever since they come out from number one, the guy not really dey happy. Normally now you go dey sad now. You be senior man and they come out, you demote you. Going for Benjamin, they hold you. You get that go be now. Say the guy not really dey happy. I know how he go to contemplate on how he go move coming for us now. Come on, I go to read the answer to bad rubbish. I'm saying some people go talk say this Lendo, say we no dey grateful. Say the guy don't play very well for us before. I get them before no be property. We dey look for Corinthians, so they carry us go Old Testament. Don't need all that one now. Now Corinthians now we dey for now. So that's so it just be. My dear football lovers, now here will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. I see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, Facebook and YouTube will notify you so we don't drop out. Thank you for always supporting us, and God bless you.